What is starter motor? A direct current motor that cranks the engine for starting is known as a starter motor, or cranking motor. By providing torque to the crankshaft, you can make the piston reciprocate by cranking the engine. The engine flywheel housing is where the starter motor is installed. It is series wound and designed to operate at low voltages while using a lot of current. When starting in at low speeds, it must be able to exert a tremendous amount of torque. Thick wire was used in the armature and fields construction to lower resistance and enable them to carry big currents without overheating. Less current is used the faster it runs. It creates higher torque at slower speeds. Parts of starter motor. 1. Armature. It is an electromagnet part that serves as a guide on the drive shaft or bearings. The armature comprises a laminated soft iron core that has been twisted or looped with multiple conductors. 2. Commutator. It is the portion of the shaft that brushes run along to conduct electricity that is located at the back of the housing. The commutator is built from two plates mounted to the armature's axle and connects the electromagnet's coil. 3. Solenoid. The solenoid has two wire coils wrapped around the core. This solenoid acts as a switch, connecting and disconnecting the electrical connection between the starter motor and the vehicle's battery. 4. Brushes. A series of brushes are used to transfer electrical current from a static conductor to a dynamic conductor. The brushes make contact with the commutator. Brushes conduct electricity as they rub the commutator. 5. Plunger. In a starter motor, a plunger has the function of pushing forward so that the pinion can be engaged, which in turn starts the motor. 6. Lever fork. A lever fork is attached to a plunger, and when the lever fork is pushed forward together with the plunger, the pinion is engaged. 7. Pinion. A pinion is a device that has a gear and springs inside. It engages immediately after starting the engine by extending the gear to the flywheel teeth. 8. Field coils. The field coils consist of two or more coils connected in series and are secured in the housing by screws. The battery provides power to these coils, turning them into an electromagnet that rotates the armature. As a result, a magnetic field develops around the armature.